In this video, I want to show you how to identify rejection blocks as taught in the ICT concept. Now, what exactly is a rejection block? From the name rejection, you know it is all about rejection. Okay, as price get rejected at some certain level, we identify rejection blocks. That is an area where that price was strongly rejected. Now, rejection blocks looks like an order block, but this time around, they are mostly formed around highs and lows as price delivers liquidity around. Okay, let me start by defining it on a sketch, just like I did right here. If you come to where I have an illustration right here, we have a bearish rejection block and a bullish rejection block, just like any other institutional reference point. So what is a rejection block? Let me start by simplifying it to you, because many people have their own understanding and perception about how these things look. Now look at this. From the first illustration, I have a 3-candle price action where the bodies of the candle are either equal, and then the middle candle has the highest wick. Can you see? Among these 3-candle price action, the middle candle has the highest wick. You can see it. So price may often trade through the bodies of the candle and get rejected around this wick. So this is where the rejection comes. You will see price being rejected strongly around such kind of areas. If we go to the chart, you will literally see what I'm saying. And this is another example, as price just traded to this area, maybe a low, and then you have the middle candle has the highest wick, as the bodies of the candle are either equal or nearly equal. So this is where you can find a rejection block. They look similar to an order block, but they are not order blocks. Okay, if you go back to your chart right here, you can see a lot of them here. Let me show you that. Can you see this 3-candle price action? 1, 2, 3. Let me expand it so you can see it properly. We have a 3-candle price action at this area, 1, 2, 3, where we have the bodies of these 2 candles are nearly equal. Okay, and then we have this middle candle. This middle candle has the highest wick. As you can see, if you place your area here and then draw it to this level, you can see that later price got rejected at this point. As price pushed to this level, price got rejected immediately from that level. We have 1, 2, 3. Remember, 3-candle price action where the middle candle has the highest wick. It is our rejection block. Okay, so we have another one right here. I'm seeing it literally. 1, 2, 3. 3-candle price action. We have this, and remember I told you it must be around a high or a low. This is a high. Look at it. Price actually traded through the bodies of the candle and got rejected from that level, just like what happened here, got rejected. Okay, 3-candle price action is where you can find a rejection block, and then the middle candle must have the highest wick. Don't forget, the middle candle must have the highest wick. Do we have a rejection block here? No, because we have 1, 2, 3. The middle candle does not have the highest wick. Okay, so we can literally see them on a chart. Let me see another one if I can see. We have a rejection block around this area. Look at it. 1, 2, 3. The bodies of the candle are closely equal, and then we can see it around this area. Okay, so price may come here and get rejected. So this is your rejection block. Now you can see them literally being formed around highs and lows. Let me see if I can see more of such, so you can literally see them and identify them before you can take trades with them. Most people use them as order blocks, but they are not order blocks. They are rejection blocks. Okay, let me see if I can see another one. A 3-candle price action, 1, 2, 3, and then the body of the middle candle. You can see middle candle has the highest wick. You can literally see it if I expand it. Let me see if I can expand it so I can show you. If I can see it again, where is it again? Okay, is this one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you bring your line here, you can see that price actually traded through the bodies of the candle but got rejected. Now it grabbed liquidity around this area before pushing down and reaching to this level. This looks like a rejection block too. This one, 1, 2, 3. The body of the candle is nearly equal, but the middle candle has the highest wick, and you can see price reacting around those areas. So this kind of areas is mostly where we take trades in rejection block. There is an exact trading model with this. I'm just trying to show you how to identify them on a chart. Once you see them, you should know that price may possibly react around such areas if you are seeing them on your chart. Let me go to the 15-minute time frame if I can see any of those. I have another one right here. This is a rejection block too. You can see 3 candle price action, 1, 2, 3. The middle candle has the highest wick, and if you take it to this area, you can see that price actually came and reacted in the body, okay, before rejecting. So this is a rejection block too. The middle candle has the highest wick. We can see a rejection block here. The middle candle has the highest wick, as you can see right here. If you want to go through your chart, you can literally see some of them on your chart without any stress. They look exactly like another block. Remember, I told you I don't normally trade with them because I mostly see them as another block. But some of you asked me to make a video about a rejection block, and that is why I'm doing this, so I can show you how to identify a rejection block on a chart. Okay, you can see them as long as you keep trading in the financial market. Now you can see them on a forex chart, you can see them on a crypto chart, on stocks. Every single financial asset that you're trading, you may see rejection blocks on such kind of areas. They are not easily seen because I told you most people see them as other blocks. Okay, so I hope you are able to identify them. This is not a rejection block. Why? Because the middle candle does not have the highest wick, even though price actually reacted around that place. This is how I use my rejection blocks. I must see that the middle candle, even though the bodies of the candle look exactly equal, the middle candle does not have the highest wick, so I just ignore it. That is not my rejection block. I will just go ahead and look for other ones that I can see. Let me go to 5 minutes and see some of them. If we see anyone, then we can close this particular session. Then I will make a different video on how to trade with rejection blocks. I just saw a rejection block, but price never really traded to that area. This is a rejection block. Okay, it may act like a rejection block in the future. The middle candle has the highest wick, you can see it. Okay, so this is not a rejection block because price actually came here and just reacted around this fair value gap. You can see, let me adjust it. This is a fair value gap. If I remove this guy from here, let me show you the fair value gap. This is it. Price just reacted around this fair value gap, okay, and then started trading to that side. So literally you can see what I'm saying. If you are trading in the financial market, you're going to see them time and time and time again. They are not easily seen on a chart. So guys, this is all about rejection blocks. I hope you got value in this. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. I'll be right there to answer you. And if you want me to further explain it, I can make a different video showing you how to trade with rejection blocks and how you can literally identify them on a chart. Look at the rejection block here. 3 candle price action. The middle candle has the highest wick, as you can see. It's a rejection block and it is around a high, and boom, price got rejected at that point. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to learn more about the smart money concept, I can teach you that freely. I'm giving you value for free. Make sure you subscribe and turn the bell notification. See you next time.